Are your credit or debit cards not working on the Temu app? If your card is being declined, you can't add a payment card or your payment isn't processing successfully, it can interrupt your shopping experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix credit or debit card on Temu app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Temu. Then here on this page, we'll go to Profile. You will move to Settings. As you see here in this list, you will go to your payment methods. And then you'll find here add a credit or debit card. So you will tap here. And then as you see here in this page, you will find card number. You will add it. You will add your expiration dates and CVV. And then your billing address. And after that, you click on add your card. So this is how it works. Don't forget to press the bell icon.